How to activate your Santander Bank debit card. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Santander Bank debit card online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your preferred web browser, then at the top search bar type in Activate Santander Debit Card. Once you do so, scroll below and you will see a website that says Activating Your New Card. Tap open that link. Scroll below and read the instructions. In here it says that in order to activate your card, here is what you should do. First of all, if you are using a mobile banking, get logged into your mobile banking. Then tap onto More section, which is on your bottom right corner. From there, tap on Help and Contact Us. There, choose Chat with Us. And here you have to ask them to activate your new credit card and you have to follow the steps. In case you are using your online banking, just get logged into your account first and tap on Chat with Us on your right hand side. Once done, you have to ask them to activate your new credit card, and that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.